today the weatherman is saying gonna be the snow gonna come like 12 to 14 inches. So I'm gonna go get the snow blower. Last night I tried to turn up but it's not working. So me and my wife are gonna go get the snow blower. Oh, let's go with the. Okay, let me clear the snow. I don't like to do things in the snowy day, but there's nothing I can do. We're in Michigan, so the snow gonna be on and off. Okay, now we're gonna go into the Westland and to get the plower. I don't know how we're gonna go there. Never been there. Let me GPS first. Can you get your phone and make a GPS? Okay, the address is 34 6000 Warren Road, Westland, the Westland, Michigan.
Starting route to 34600 Warren Road. Head south on Stratton Way.
So, we got the GPS set up. Now we need to go. See, the neighbor was just starting plowing the snow already. So, and I'll start going to get mine. I guess I'm gonna have to call off work today. We're not gonna turn that way. Folk, it's a lot of snow, so I will shut off my camera and focus on driving, so I don't want to end up in a ditch. Here we stop in the light here. We stop in the traffic light here. And it's about make a left turn, just waiting for the arrow turning green. Here we go. Coolie. See, today will be a lot of flight cancel in Michigan here. And folk, anybody want to fly out or fly in, make sure to double check your flight before you go to the airport. So the weather was not that fun today. They're gonna be snowing all day today and all night and all day tomorrow. Yeah, the truck with the salt truck was like soaking the roads already. I'm sorry.
At the light, turn left onto Martin Road.
Turn left on Martin Road. We're gonna make a left turn at the light. Driving on the winter in Michigan, it's not fun at all. Okay, right now we still see the pavement. It's next couple hours we're not gonna see it. It's gonna be covered up with snow. So will make the driving as difficult to driving. Love Michigan here, especially in the summertime. It's the most beautiful state. We have 4 seasons. We have winter, we have spring, we have fall, all kind of those. And all kind of fun activity here. Into the freeway now, so I'm ready to shut off my camera and focus on my driving. The road was so icy. Yo, I just got back and got the snow blower here. This one. I purchased this one, a brand new one, cost $1,000 here. So I will wait for one of my uncle come and help me to unload this thing. This is so heavy, I cannot do it myself. So I'm gonna wait for him. This is my daughter. She really wants to see that snow blower. Yeah. She gonna be the one who mainly use it. So okay. Hold on. Nhả thử đi.
Nó nhả cho.
Nó.
Dạ.
Chỉ bố nhả nó chả tới xíu mà.
Ồ, cái có khẩu vị này.
Yeah. Up lên. It's so heavy.
Tụi nó ít lần ra sẽ to xịt nó
Yeah.
to lần. Tụi nó toàn đua chỉ all lần chạy số tụi nó sang nhà. Nhà nó một.
Yeah, this No.
The motor is the heavy side.
Yeah, he just went and bought a snow blower. It's so heavy. So we need 3-4 people. It's so heavy. Woo.
Oh, you grabbed the wrong one.
So heavy. It's brand new.
No, mama.
Mare.
For handle.
Don't just that. Don't just that. What am I just doing?
It's snowing harder and harder.
You want to
Oh, you need a fire? You don't need racks? This is in the garage.
Snow blower.
Yeah. Have to put this thing back together here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
弄到小鸡呢，我都告诉小妹啊。
We're gonna start this on the first time. Okay. We're checking for everything.
Oh, electronic start.
If you don't have to plug here, alright, just
Oh,
turn.
you can't. You just can't start it.
No, you need to put the plug here. Okay, hold on.
You got
Get
it.
the
Okay.
hold on. I'll repump the price array. Okay, ready?
Sure. I don't know what. Oh.
Don't hold anything.